Hello Livewires! I'm super excited because I am doing a collaboration with my favorite wire brand, Beadalon. And they sent me a box of wires and things that I'm going to be using for a collaboration that we're doing next Thursday. That's May the 13th at 2 p.m. on their Facebook page. I'll link it up below in the description. But we're going to be doing a live stream, a dual live stream, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some popular rings that are hot sellers. So without further ado, let's open up the box of stuff. So as you guys know, Beadalon previously sent me some really cool stuff, and I have several videos about it. And so now let's see what they have sent. So we're going to open it up. There we go. Get all the tape, and there's some bubble wrap. Perfect. Wow, this is so awesome. Somebody had mentioned to me these are super useful to hold the wire on the spools. So these are called spool tamers, and I will definitely do a video about these. And so this is so your wires don't go all over the place. This is awesome. I can't wait to try these. Perfect. So I opened up all the wire. Oh my goodness, look at all this wire, guys. This is fantastic. So this is what I desperately needed, was the 22 gauge wire, which is really a great middle size for wrapping and stuff. So I have the tarnish resistant silver and the gold color. These are going to be wonderful. And the 20 gauge wire, I use the tarnish resistant brass a lot. Tarnish resistant silver as well. That's fantastic. And then look at all the 18 gauge wire, guys. So I have the tarnish resistant silver, which is really great for rings, and the gold color, and even stainless steel. I'm sure I could find some cool things to do with that. And also white, and I was looking for white last winter for my Santa Claus, so we'll definitely be using this more in the winter time. So thank you so much, Beadalon, for sending all this amazing wire. I can't wait to dig in, and I'm so excited for our collaboration on Thursday, May 13th at 2 p.m. on the Beadalon Facebook page, and we hope to see everybody there. Bye!